Have you ever noticed how people spend hours researching the perfect stock to buy, yet they never spend 5 minutes figuring out whether they're investing in the right order? It's one of the biggest financial mistakes I see over and over again. Someone has credit card debt charging 20% interest. They don't have an emergency fund. They barely contribute to their retirement account. Yet they're asking whether they should buy technology stocks, cryptocurrency, or the latest investment everyone is talking about online. It's like trying to build the second floor of a house before pouring the foundation. The truth is that building wealth isn't just about what you invest in. It's about when you invest in certain things and in what order. Get the sequence wrong and you can waste years of progress. Get it right and you can dramatically increase your net worth while reducing financial stress at the same time. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a practical wealth-building roadmap that many people completely overlook. We'll cover the exact financial priorities that should come before chasing investment returns, why some forms of debt can quietly destroy your future, and the powerful accounts that can help you keep more of your money instead of handing it over in taxes.
Let's start with the step most people want to skip. Step 1. Build a financial shock absorber. Imagine you're driving across the country without a spare tire. Everything feels fine until something goes wrong. That's exactly how many people handle their finances. One unexpected medical bill, one major car repair, one job loss, and suddenly they're forced to borrow money, sell investments, or fall behind on important expenses. An emergency fund isn't designed to make you rich. Its job is to keep you from becoming poor when life throws a surprise your way. Before worrying about stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, or anything else, your first goal should be creating a cash reserve. Start small. The first milestone is saving enough to handle common emergencies without reaching for a credit card. Then, gradually work towards several months of living expenses. The amount will vary depending on your career, family situation, and income stability, but the objective remains the same. Create enough breathing room so that financial emergencies become inconveniences instead of disasters. Once that safety net is in place, we can move on to the next priority, a step that often produces a better return than any investment you'll find in the market.